Hey, Baby Shower host is Ike Paz from PrinttableBabyShower.com. Today I'm going to show you how to create a basketball printable baby shower wish you printable. Okay, so here before I begin, if you don't want to create your own printable baby shower games for your basketball theme, I have for you 12 pre-made printable baby shower games in the basketball theme and some banners. Okay, plus I have bonuses. Go to my site here, PrinttableBabyShower.com. I have bonuses such as a baby shower recipe book, RSVP guide, and photo booth cutouts, printable cutouts. Okay, so let's begin. Let's create our printable basketball baby shower game. First thing you want to do is go to Canva, C-A-N-V-A, okay, and create your free account. Once you do that, you want to click and choose the if you live in the US and you're printing out of the US, you want the US letter size. Okay, if you live anywhere else around the world, you want A4. So let's say you live in the US, you click US letter size, and we're gonna now create our wishes for baby basketball themed printable baby shower. Not game, but wishes for baby. Okay, so we're gonna need some images, okay, like basketball related images. To do that, you want to go to pixabay.com. Pixabay has public domain images that you can use any way you want, even for commercial uses, commercial purposes. Go to Pixabay to get your images, okay? And I'm going to first create my background. So I want to go to background colors, and I want a dark purple, like that. You see, dark purple. And I'm going to show you how I made this white inner part of the printable right now. So before that, I want to show you dark purple. I want to actually make it darker than this. You know why? Because orange, which is the color you think of when you think of basketball, it goes really well with purple, I think. Okay, so now that we have this dark purple for our printable background, we're going to go to Elements, go to Shapes, go to this square here. Is that a rectangle or square? I think, yeah, it starts off as a square. Okay, you want to elongate it so you get a rectangle going on here. And this is the inside of your printable. Okay, make sure it's centered. The beauty about Canva is that it will let you know when something's off or in the center, left or right. Okay, so once you got that going, we want to fill in our, actually let's put in an orange stripe. That'd be cool. Let's do that now. Let's put in an orange stripe just across the background here. I think it'd look really cool. So put in another square and make that really narrow, elongate it, and then let's wait a second. Let's move that back to where it was in the center. Perfect. Let's choose this white bar again. Let's make that dark orange. That's not the orange I want. Yeah, that's more like it. Play with it until you get the color you want. We're gonna turn it around like that. That's cool. And now I'm gonna arrange this, click the arrange, and send it back. Perfect. I like that. Just like that. Okay, cool. Now click text. Click text. Add the image. Click the text you want. Add the font you want. I want to go with this Alpha Slab 1. I like it. It's really big. And I'm going to. It's white now, so I'm gonna color that. Actually, I'm gonna use the same purple that's in the background here. Boom. Cool. Now I'm gonna title this Wishes for Baby. Okay, check this out. Wishes for baby. Okay, bring that to the top. We haven't put in our basketball element yet. I'm going to do that soon. Okay, I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. Maybe a little bit smaller. And I'm going to actually try to turn the baby font here and make it orange. Cool, wishes for baby. Now that we have that, let's fill her in with the wishes. Okay, let's 10 wishes that your guest. So here, my notepad, I already filled it out. I wish you grow up to, and then your guests have to fill out what they want your baby to be or to have, what qualities they want the child to have. I'm gonna color this orange, just like the orange. Yeah, that's cool. And change the font to, what's a good font we could use here that would make sense? Carter 1 maybe? Play with it any way you want. Yeah, I like this, but I'm gonna shrink this up a little bit. 36. That's cool. Bring it up. And we're almost done, but so far there's nothing basketball about this, so I'm going to change that now. As I told you from the beginning of this little video tutorial, I said you can get free images off of Pixabay, and there's a basketball here I want to use that I got off of Pixabay. Boom, I'm gonna drop it in here. Now obviously this is too big, so I'm going to shrink it down a notch. Bring that face over. Leave it in the corner here. Actually, I'm going to shrink this down to 28. Too small, I think. Let's go to 32. Perfect. Like that. Now you have Wishes for Baby basketball themed printable. Okay, so once you're done, you want to click PDF and click download, and you got printable. Again, if you don't want to create your own printables, I already made some printables that you can get right now at my site printmybabyshower.com. There are 12 printable games, a banner set, the answer keys, of course. The baby shower meal planner has a bonus, RSVP guide as a bonus, and photo booth cutouts that people have fun with at baby shower. So I hope you check it out. You can get that in the link below. This is like pause saying thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more baby shower tutorials and DIYs. Be good.